Some reward apps let you redeem earnings as soon as you have enough for an available reward instead of making you reach a large payout threshold. That means you can confirm the app actually pays before investing weeks of your time. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps that are known for flexible redemption options and what to check before you start earning. First is Branded Surveys. Branded Surveys lets members earn points by completing surveys and participating in daily activities. The platform offers multiple redemption options, and users can choose from different reward values instead of waiting for one large payout. Before starting surveys, complete your profile so you receive better matched opportunities. Next is Freecash. Freecash combines games, surveys, app offers, and other online tasks in one account. It supports several digital payout methods, including PayPal, cryptocurrency, and gift cards in supported countries. Since different payout methods may have different redemption requirements, check the rewards page before choosing where to cash out. Third is Scrambly. Scrambly rewards users for completing game objectives, testing apps, and trying online services. The platform is known for offering flexible withdrawal options compared with many traditional reward apps. Always read the completion requirements carefully so every offer tracks correctly. Fourth is Cash Giraffe. Cash Giraffe focuses on rewarding users for playing featured mobile games and testing recommended apps. Rewards can be redeemed through supported digital payment methods or gift cards without forcing users to accumulate extremely large balances first. Prioritize featured games with higher reward rates if your goal is reaching your first payout quickly. Finally, there's Just Play. Just Play rewards users for playing supported mobile games and completing simple in-app activities. Instead of saving points for months, users can redeem available rewards through supported payout methods whenever they meet the platform's current redemption conditions. Check the app regularly, because featured games and earning opportunities change over time. One thing to remember is that no minimum cash out can mean different things on different platforms. Some apps let you redeem almost immediately, while others offer several reward levels with small starting amounts. Always read the redemption page before spending time on any offer. To sum up, Branded Surveys is a strong choice for survey rewards. Freecash and Scrambly combine multiple earning methods. Cash Giraffe focuses on rewarded gaming. And Just Play is designed around mobile gameplay. Compare the payout methods available in your country before choosing your favorite app. If this video saved you some research time, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other guides on legitimate money-making apps for 2026.